What is up, YouTube? So today I got a quick unboxing for y'all. I was gonna make a huge grand production out of this video, but there's just never any time to get all of that production quality in with my kids around and all this other stuff that I'm involved with. So today I'm gonna make this unboxing video quick, impromptu, from my bedroom. It's the latest pickup from Supreme. It was spring summer 18 week 13. It was the week of the patches denim jacket, which is something I really wanted. Didn't get it, but I'm looking at it as a possibility of a purchase in the very near future on StockX. Hopefully the market doesn't change too much, because $100 up is not bad for the jacket. I should have got it the day when it came out, but I just, you know, that was like a L that I shouldn't have taken, but here I am sitting with it right now. Another thing, since I mentioned StockX, I did make a grill purchase, a major grill purchase, something that I always wanted. Came out the day that it came out, and I took a L that day. And you know, when I was doing some research on StockX the other day, I remembered that this is a piece that I really wanted. Let me look and see if it's there. And it's there, and I purchased it for just $40 over what I would have paid, including shipping and handling. So I'm not gonna say what the item is yet. When it comes, I'm gonna do a grand unboxing for that, because that is a grill piece and I'm very excited about it. Anyways, without ado, let's get to this unboxing. Hang out. So here's the item. It came in this plastic bag, so it's not an unboxing, it's an unbagging. Same thing anyway, right? Came in this bag, small Supreme bag, and got 2 box logos today. That's always awesome. And as I suspected, it came in, it's the pants, the warm-up pants, and it came in the Ziploc style bag. And this thing feels really good, good weight. Oh wow, this is good quality. Yeah, I'm really liking these. Got the Supreme branding right here. Size large, and says that right there. And yeah, that's it. There's a little in the back pocket. Has a little tag, Supreme box logo tag right there, and a little pull tab string, and yeah, that's it.